Hi, on this video I will show you how to record sound from stereo mix and microphone at the same time in your system. We need first to go to the speakers here in the corner and right click, choose recording device. It will open this window. Here we will keep the default as stereo mix. We're not going to change this one, but we still have the microphones, so the system will record from stereo mix, but we need to add the microphone to the stereo mix. We need to hear the microphone from the speakers. So what we have to do, we right click here and choose properties, or double click on the microphone and you go to listen. Now we need to put this microphone on the speaker. So we'll check this here and we click apply and OK. Now I can hear my voice twice, once from my mouth and the other from the speaker, because now as you can see that it's moving here, so my voice, it's on the stereo mix as well. After we finish from this step, we click OK and we close this. Now I will open the recording software. On this video I will use Audacity. It's very powerful, very good program. I use it all the time for recording sound. And I will open any music file, for example this one. Okay. Before I start recording from the music or from the stereo mix, let me test my microphone. Is it recording or not? So I will click here first. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it's recording. Stop it here. You see, it records my voice. Okay, so let me undo this and start again. Now we checked and we found that I can record my voice from microphone. Let us play the music and start recording. And now I will start recording. Now I will start to talk. You can see here I'm talking and the music is playing at the same time. Let me stop everything and play back and see what we have. Now I will play the whole file together to see if we have the music and the microphone at the same time. Listen to this. Now I will start to talk. You can see here I'm talking and the music is playing at the same time. Let me stop everything and play back and see what we have. Okay, now as you can see, we record the stereo mix from the system and from the microphone at the same time. If you have any question, let me know and I will be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching.